Hello everyone. Hope you are taking care of yourself. In our previous lectures, we have discussed about types of microorganisms and their commercial uses. Today, we will discuss about medicinal uses of microbes. Sounds very odd. Microbes in medicines? But it is true. Microbes find a wide range of applications in medical field. We can categorize these into three groups. Medical uses of microbes for making antibiotics, for making vaccines, and for making food supplements. In this section, we will discuss about antibiotics. Children, when we are suffering from any disease caused by microbial infection, doctor might give us antibiotic capsules, tablets, or injections such as penicillin. These types of medicines are called antibiotics. Antibiotic is a medicine which kills or inhibits the growth of disease-causing microbes. Inhibits means it slows down the growth of disease-causing microbes. Antibiotics are manufactured from bacteria and fungi and are used for treating a variety of diseases caused by pathogens. Now, what are pathogens? Pathogens are disease-causing microorganisms. Antibiotics are very common nowadays, but some 100 years ago, it was not so. Many people died due to infections. Wounded soldiers lost their limbs due to infection of microbes. The first antibiotic was accidentally discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1929. This was called penicillin. Penicillin was extracted from a mold or fungus called Penicillium. Here you can see a petri dish containing culture of Penicillium. Here these green ones, and this one shows the microscopic view of Penicillium. Fleming was studying a culture of disease-causing bacteria when he observed that presence of tiny mold stopped the growth of pathogenic bacteria. Penicillin controls the bacterial infection. Now, a question arises, how does an antibiotic work? Antibiotic works by affecting things that bacterial cells have, but human cells don't have. For example, human cells don't have cell walls, while bacterial cells do have cell walls. So the antibiotic penicillin works by keeping the bacterium from building a cell wall, and hence it kills the bacteria. But unfortunately, antibiotics are not effective against disease caused by viruses. For example, viral fever, common cold, influenza, etc. cannot be cured by antibiotics, as these are caused by viruses. Antibiotics are used to cure many diseases in humans, animals, and even in plants. Some common antibiotics are penicillin, tetracycline, streptomycin, erythromycin. Students, antibiotics are very useful, but one should follow some precautions while using these antibiotics. Let us see what are these precautions. Antibiotic should be taken only on the advice of a qualified doctor. Patient should complete the course of antibiotic. Antibiotic should be taken in correct dosage. Antibiotic should not be taken unnecessarily. So dear students, I hope this video will be helpful to you. In the next segment, we will discuss about use of microbes in making vaccines.